All right, it's been a month. All right, and I'm gonna show you the results with this machine. All right, so if you guys can see, pressure is still really good. We have water in there, if you guys can see it. I put it 2 hours a day. All right, 2 hours a day, and I'm gonna show you guys something. Look how clear it is. Now, I did vacuum here and there in the bottom with my vacuum, my robot vacuum, but I do have a skimmer. But the water still is super clear. Just to prove it to you guys how clear it is. That's from this results of this machine here. Now, I did have a leakage the other day. I took out the supports and I left them without the supports, and I put the metal one, except for this one. This one's the only one that's the support, because for some reason the support wasn't catching on very good in that one, but it's still on here and it's working very well. The only thing I added as for chemicals was a chlorine pill. All right, 2 of them, and that's it. That's all it took. This is a smaller pool. It's not the largest one, but it does the job. It's working very well. This machine, I didn't have the minimum maintenance on it. All right, so cotton balls in there, no sand. It's cotton balls in there, and 2 hours a day because of the size of it. If it was larger, I would add maybe 4 or 5 hours, but because of the size, it's keeping it well maintenance. I haven't scrubbed any of the edges yet. I'm gonna do that once a month at least, or once every week for now. You know, it depends on if I see any kind of greenage, but it hasn't been very sunny. So if it's very sunny, then you start seeing algae green, and then you start scrubbing it. But for right now, maintenance, I'm gonna do a water testing on it to see how good it is, if it needs any chemicals or anything. But so far, machine has been really good, and it turns off every 2 hours. All right, 2 hours, that's what I set up, and it's still as strong as I got it. Look at that.